been waiting on a miracle, praying for a breakthrough. Every tear I cried in secret, Lord, you saw it too. Doors were closing in my face, dreams felt far away, but deep inside I heard you say, child, just keep the faith. Ndakasungirira murima, ndakaramba ndakamira, handikadzoki shure, ndinoziva Zvichaita. Mountains standing in my way, but my God is bigger. Storms are trying to shake my ground, but my faith is stronger. Marivati nguva yasvika, blessings are on the way. Zvichaita Chete this year,
I receive it loud and clear.
every promise you declare
It's coming to life right here.
no more fear, no more tears.
This is my victorious year.
Ndinozvitenda nemoyo wese.
Zvichaita Chete this year.
Hey, Zvichaita Chete this year,
I receive it loud and clear.
every promise you declare
It's coming to life right here.
no more fear, no more tears.
This is my victorious year.
Ndinozvitenda nemoyo wese.
Zvichaita Chete this year.
They said I wouldn't make it, said my time had passed, but the God who writes my story always has the last. From the valley to the top, He is lifting me. What was meant to break my soul is building destiny. My blessing alikuya, favor iri pamusoro, nyasha dziri kunditsevera. Everywhere I go, I declare it, I believe it. Nothing's stopping me. Every chain is breaking now. I walk in victory. Simuka Toradanho. Don't you wait another day. He has opened up the heavens. Your miracle's on the way. Zvichaita Chete this year.
Zvichaita Chete this year. Overflow is drawing near.
Every prayer I prayed in tears,
Now becoming crystal clear.
testimony rising here.
God has wiped away my fears.
Ndinoziva hazvirambe.
Zvichaita Chete this year.
Zvichaita
Zvichaita
Chete
Chete
this year.
Zvichaita Chete this year.
Victory is here, Shona.